Have you been thinking about moving to Brantford, Ontario, and you're not exactly sure what the home values are here in Brantford? Well, I'm going to show you 4 different houses in 2 different neighborhoods here in the city that you can get a house between 400 and 500,000. So let's get after it right now. Hey guys, we are here in our very first neighborhood, and this is the Eagle Place neighborhood. It is located in the south end of Brantford. It is actually one of the older parts of the city. You'll find homes that are about 100 or more years old, and they have a lot of charm, but their lot sizes are huge and their footprints are smaller, so they are perfect for first-time home buyers, investors, or even downsizers. Some of the things that are notable about this is that there's 3 public schools in this community, so your kids are never very far from having to walk to school. There's also one large park called Tutla Park. It is a great park. It has a kids playground, a water park, and it is actually one of the best toboggan hills in the city. Some of the other things you're going to want to check out is Robbie's Pizzas and Wings, as that's one of my favorite places to grab pizza in the city. We're also 5 minutes away from the Freshco Plaza, which has a beer store, Freshco, LCBO, Dollarama, Pet Value, everything you could ever need. We're about 5 minutes away from the casino, and the casino is right next to where the Brantford Bulldogs play. And if you are in town, you are going to want to go check them out because they are causing a lot of excitement here in the city. So let's go check out our first house. Okay, we are here at our very first property in the Eagle Place community. We're actually right across from Tutla Park, which I had just mentioned to you a little earlier. This is a 1.5 story, 3-bedroom, 2-washroom house listed at $399,900. The square footage is about 1,382, so that puts us at about $289 a square foot. It is actually this home right behind me here. It's actually got 2-car tandem parking and a 1 garage that you could park in. It's been the floors have recently been done and it's been freshly painted. It's got new carpet. It is move-in ready. This would be perfect for investors, first-time home buyers, or even downsizers. So let's go take a drive through this part of the neighborhood so you can see exactly what it would be like if you were to move here. We're here at the second property in the Eagle Place community, and this is a charming 3-bedroom, 1-washroom bungalow listed at $464,900. It is about 917 square feet, so that works out to be about $506 a square foot. One of my favorite things about this property is its lot size. It's about 40 by 120, and that's really hard to find here in the city. Is actually this charming little bungalow right back here. It's open concept, stainless steel appliances, move in ready. And again, where are you going to find this kind of lot size under 500,000 anywhere in the GTA or the GTHA? So what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick drive through this neighborhood so you can see exactly what it would be like to live in this neighborhood. If you've been thinking about moving to Brantford, please reach out to me, as I help people move to this city every single day, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move in 3 weeks, 3 months, or 3 years, please reach out and I'd be happy to share all the information and all the amazing things about this city and help you make a smooth move to Brantford. Okay guys, we are here in the Terrace Hill neighborhood, located in the center area of Brantford, and this really puts you in the heart of the city, really close to 2 high schools. You got your Brant Collegiate Institute and Pauline Johnson. Also puts you close to Laurier and Conestoga College. You're about 5 minutes away from the highway. You're close to several elementary schools. So again, everything in Brantford is really close together, and you're not very far from much at all. So let's go take a look at the first of our 2 properties in this neighborhood. Okay guys, we are here in the first area of the Terrace Hill neighborhood, almost in front of the very first listing I'm going to show you. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-washroom bungalow listed at $468,500. It's about 717 square feet, so that puts it about $655 a square foot. It was actually built in 1910. It has a lot size of 42 by 66, and it is actually this listing right back here. Again, it's a cute little bungalow. It's been recently updated. It has stainless steel appliances, and it is move-in ready. So let's take a drive through this neighborhood so you can see exactly what it would be like if you decide to move here. Okay, we are here outside of the second listing in the Terrace Hill neighborhood. This is a 1.5 story, 3-bedroom, 1-washroom house with about 1,223 square feet, and it's listed at $489,000. That puts us at about $399 a square foot, and the lot size is 36 by 58. So you do get a little size lot, but it is a really cute house. It is actually this house right behind me, and it is actually adorable. It's got a steel roof, it's got a concrete driveway, it's got recent updates on the inside. It has a small deck in the back. So let's take a quick drive through this neighborhood so you know exactly what it would be like to move into this neighborhood. If you like this video, then you're going to want to watch this video right here, where I go over all the reasons why people are moving to Brantford.